We've all had this happen to us. And this. And that. Introducing Connected Hygiene Intelligence by Bidvest Steiner, or CHI for short. Bidvest Steiner has given a voice and mind to the hygiene game. Through the power of IoT, cleaning can now be scheduled after a set number of visitors have used the washroom. No more relying on fixed cleaning schedules. CHI's innovative foot traffic sensors eliminate the paper schedules behind the doors by sensing when the cleaners enter and exit the washrooms. CHI's sensors also notify cleaners to replenish dispensers before they are empty. For example, when there is only 5% soap left, the cleaner will receive a WhatsApp task to go and replenish. No more finding empty dispensers when you need it most. And with CHI's digital feedback buttons, individuals can instantly share feedback on their washroom experience. This provides you with valuable insights and essential information to boost your cleaning team's productivity and sustain a positive washroom experience, allowing your washrooms to be serviced more dynamically than ever, giving you the ability to handle all the tiny details and make smart decisions based on the data received. But why stop there when the rest of your building can speak to you too? Through our multi-purpose IoT, meetings can now run smoother than ever. Gone are the days of stepping out for service and missing key speaking points or data. With CHI, you can keep your focus where it's needed most and still enjoy a cup of coffee conveniently brought to you. And with additions like vape sensors, occupancy timers, air quality sensors, and more, CHI is leveling up the hygiene game. CHI, a system designed by Bidvest Steiner to know your business on a new level. It's hygiene and hospitality, just smarter.